A pleasant day and a warm welcome from Pebbles channel. Today we are going to learn, we have finished our group 1 and 2, isn't it? 1 and 2 we have finished. So what are the alphabets that we learned in 1 and 2? What are the alphabets? Yes, we learned C and K, yes, which has the same sound. Then we learned alphabet He, H, R, M, D. Yes, this was of group 2, isn't it? These alphabets we learned of group 2. What are the alphabet letters that we learned, letters and sound that we learned in group 1? S, A, T, I, P and N. Okay, so in group 1 and 2 we learned all these letters. Yes, we learned all these letters and their sounds also, and we also learned lots of activities regarding that, isn't it? So we learned, shall we see from here? So group 1 we learned S, A, T, I, P and N. So the sounds also you remember, isn't it? For S, A, T, I, P, N. And in group 2 we learned C and K, E, H, R, M and D. So these are the letters that you learned in group 1 and 2. So now what are we going to do is, with the letters that you learned in group 1 and in group 2, we are going to use all these letters and we are going to learn lots of words. Okay, we can pick out lots of words from all form, joining up all these letters. Yes, can you follow? For joining, now suppose I say S-A-T, it's a word, sat, right? So S-A-T. So in the same way we are going to form lots of words. We're going to learn some words, so you will know some new words that you can form with all these letters, and also we can learn the spelling for it. Are you ready, children? Now again, group 1 and group 2 we have learned all these letters. Over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 letters. Here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because C and K has the same sound, we put them together and then even 6. So we have learned 12 letters and their sounds. Now with the help of all these 12 letters we are going to start writing some words. Okay, some words will already which you know, some new words. So shall we start? All right, now let's start with small words. Now suppose I take C, A, T, cat. Now is C here? Yes. A, yes. T, yes. So you have all the 3 letters over here. So this is C, A, T. Now when you read it, K, act, cat. Okay, K, act, cat. Okay. Now again other words. H, I, T, hit. So when I'm writing the word here, you can also check if all these letters are here. H is here, I is here and T is here. Hit. So cat, hit. Next one, M, A, P. Okay, now can you check if you have M, A and P in this row here in this line? Yes, you have. So M, A, P, map. M, E N men. M-E-N men. Next one. K-I-T kit. Yes, you have K, you have I and T in your line. So the next word is kit. Next one. C-A-P cap. What's the next word? You can check. C-A-P cap. Next, R-E-D red. R-E-D red. Okay. H-I-M him. H-I-M him. Okay. Next one. P-E-C-K peck. You have P-E-C-K and the word is peck. Next, R-A-N ran. R-A-N ran. So all the words, as you know, the letters are here. Okay, we are only using the letters which are here in group 1 and group 2 and we are forming lots of words. So the words are cat, hit, see H-I-T is there, hit, map, M is here, yes, M-A-P, you have map. Next one, men, M-E-N, again M-E and N, men. Next, K-I-T is kit. You have K, I and T, you have a word kit. Next, C-A-P cap. Where is C? Yes, C is here, A and P. All the letters are here, cap. R-E-D. You can check, you have R, E and D, red. H-I-M, him. H-I-M, him. P-E-C-K, peck. You have P is there, E-C-K, peck. R-A-N, ran. You have R here, yes, A and N, ran. So cat, hit, map, men, kit, cap, red, him, peck, ran. Okay, so now we have learned few words. Now can you check into some other words that you can form with all these letters? Yes. Next one, C-A-N, can. So can you check if you have C? You have C, A and N. The word is can. All right. S-E-N-D, send. S-E-N and D, send. S-I-C-K, sick. S-I-C and K, sick. R-A-T, rat. You can check all the letters are there. R-A-T, rat. Next word, N-E-C-K, neck. P-E-C-K, it's peck. P-E-C-K, peck. H A M, ham. H A M, ham. H is here, A and M, ham. Okay, next one. D I M, dim. What's the word? D I M, dim. M E N D, mend. M E N D, mend. T I C K, tick. Okay, now the words, as I spell the words, I want you to check all these letters are here in the group 1 and 2. Okay, C A N, can. C is here, A and N, can. Alright. S E N D, S E N and D is here, send. S I C K, sick. That's letters also here. R A T, rat. N E C K, neck. P E C K, peck. H A M, ham. D I M, dim. M E N D, mend. T I C K, tick. Okay, the words are can, send, sick, rat, neck, peck, ham, dim, mend and tick. So you see, you are starting to learn to make new words, isn't it? Even you can try even other words. You are made nearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 20 words we have done, I think now. Okay, so from all these alphabets we are learning new words. Now shall we see what are the next words that you can learn? R A P, wrap. You can check the letters. If the letters are here, P E N, pen. D E C K, deck. T E D, TED. P I C K, pick. M A S T, mast. R A M, ram. M A T, mat. R I P, rip. Now as I spell it, I want you to check all these letters are here. R A P, wrap. P, the first group. E N, first group, pen. D E C K, deck. T E D, TED. P I C K, pick. M A S T, mast. R A M, ram. M A T, mat. R I P, rip. Now the words are wrap, pen, deck, TED, pick, mast, ram, mat, rip. Okay, so all these letters are over here. Okay, now what are the other some more words that you can learn? Now we finished with rip. What's the next words? Okay, now we will start with some more words. S T I C K. S T I C K, stick. Yes, as you learned in the first group, isn't it? Mostly most of the words, the CK will come together. Okay, now H A T, hat. A T, H is here, A T, hat. Next word, H I P, hip. H I P, hip. S A C K, sack. S A C K, sack. D E N, den. D E N, have the word den. Next one, S P E C K, speck. S P E C K, speck. After speck, R A C K, rack. N I C K, nick. One more word, P I N, pin. Okay, now what are the words? Stick, hat, hip, sack, den, speck, rack, nick and pin. Okay, so now we learned so many words joining up all these letters that you learn in your group 1 and 2. Okay, you also can try and you can form more words. Okay.
Pebbles Kids Learning.